In this video, you will learn that how we can download and install Visual Studio Community Edition 2022. So for this, we need to search Visual Studio Community Edition. Hit enter, and here you can see the first link, Visual Studio 22, and we need to download. And after downloading, double click and install it. Click yes. Continue. And here you have to select other tools, data storage and processing. First, we need SQL Server data tools. We don't need Azure Data Lake. So uncheck this one, and .NET Framework 4.7.2. These two options you need to select, and then you have to click install. So I will pause the video here until the download will be finished. Previously we had Visual Studio Community Edition 2019, and now we are installing Visual Studio Community Edition 22. So the download is finished, and now it is installing the remaining components. So now it is starting the Visual Studio 22. Okay, so we need to cancel and click continue without code. And we need to close this one. Click File, New, Project. And see, there is no reporting server project. If we search here, like reporting, there is no reporting services available in this Visual Studio. So what we have to do, we need to go to the extensions and manage the extensions. And here we have to search reporting services. Enter. Here you can see the first link, Microsoft Reporting Services project. Just click download. Open this file. So it is now executing the VSIX installer. If you are getting the message that the installer is waiting for some of the services that needs to be closed, then you have to click and task so that the VSIX installer can work. So the installation is completed. Click close, and then we have to reopen the Visual Studio 22. Click continue without code. Click File, New, Project. And here you can see we are getting a report server project and report server project wizard. So that's all. Thank you. See you in the next video.